Good morning, everybody. It's Wednesday. As a reminder, this evening we will have public e-learning, 8 o'clock Eastern, right here in the trading room, and we will change the password to where there's no password. So hope to see everybody this evening. Remember to invite your friends and neighbors. Stock picks today. We have 8 of them. Here's one of them right here, PPHM. Looks like it might be trying to make a J-hook. Simply a good trend up. We're pulling back. Looks like we're finding support near the 34 exponential moving average. Very nice bullish day yesterday. Closed above the 20 and the T-line. We want to be buying on strength above the T-line. Looking for looking to continue that trend and retest this swing high up here and possibly a breakout for a higher move. TIVO, TiVo. TiVo is coming out of our rounded bottom breakout here. Nice pattern. It's rallied up, it's pulled back, rallied up, pulled back, rallied up, pulled back. We're looking for that rally to continue to our typical 200-day moving average target when we come out of that rounded bottom. If we break through the 200 and it can show some good consolidation here, I think this still has a reasonably good move, quite a bit higher, back up to retest these highs up here, possibly even to say something around 1250, which that would be a nice little trade there. Thanks, Tyler. TiVo reports earnings today. Okay, we need to keep an eye on that. Thank you. Appreciate that. Let's see here. So anyway, nice little J hook. We've got a breakout, so we're looking for that 200-day target coming up here. MTW, another one on the stock pick list. Another a lot of J hooks in the charts today. Yeah, lots and lots of J hooks setting up out there. We have a nice bull kicker, rallied up. We're pulling back. Here's where we punched through that 200-day moving average. You can see it came back and did a retest and then up and then comes back and retests for not quite a little double bottom there, but certainly finding some support. And then we have a doji bullish engulf. Closed up over the 20 and the T-line. Very nice looking chart. We want to trade this on strength above yesterday's close, which would be right above the T-line area. Looking for the swing high and then a possibly move up here. And we do realize that, the market's probably going to be kind of slow and meander and just not do a whole lot until Friday. So we just have to watch what we trade and make sure we don't let any losers get too carried away. NSM, another J hook. It's rallied up. Well, you can see where it's rallied from the 50 and the 34 up. It's pulled back to the 34, threw in a hammer candle, and then good confirmation following that. We're up above the T-line now. We'd be happy to trade this on any kind of a pullback if it gave it to us. I don't think it's going to do that, though. I see it. It's up at 27.85 now, so looks like we're opening up with a little gap. The likelihood of testing this swing high looks pretty good at this point. And that's NSM. TRW is another one. This is coming from that rounded bottom breakout. We've rallied up. We've pulled back. Nice candle yesterday. We have what I would call a 3-bar bottom here. I know the lows aren't exact, but that's what I look for on a 3-bar bottom, where it just shows where the buyers are starting to buy right in a very tight area. Closed up over the T-line. Another one I would follow up as long as it closes above the T-line area. Mako was on the watch list. Many of us were in Mako here a week or so ago. Mako has pulled back to the 20-day simple moving average, put 3 little doji type candles in, and then a bullish engulf yesterday. We want to look for strength pretty much over the 34 exponential moving average. First target would be up around the 50, up around this blue line, and then we'll look at something up here and then finish filling that gap up into this area. target direction would be the 200-day moving average. Just realize it's not likely to do it in a straight line, so we'll do the up down up down up down, play the pullbacks, play the swings till we get up to that area. And this, let's see, FST. Looks like our FST is coming back. FST was one of our featured stock picks back here. Money could have been made on this rally. It's pulling back now. It's right back in the same area we were looking to buy it before. We've got a low, and so far we have a higher low with a good candle yesterday. We're looking for continued strength up over to the T-line today. I added to this yesterday. We'll see if we can take out this top and come back up to our original target points up here. And the stock pick for today, the featured stock pick, APKT. There we go. APKT. We have a rounded bottom breakout. We have a double bottom right here. We have a doji bullish engulf, engulfing yesterday. Breakout buyers look to break out over yesterday's close. Pullback buyers will look to buy on an inside all the way down to pretty much the low of yesterday, about the 20-day simple. That's our stop. Our targets are going to be up here about 19. Let's see, what do I have here? I wrote that down somewhere. There we go. Target around 1965, and then the second target at about 2230, and then we'll look at the 200-day moving average. So again, breakout buyers, we're looking to buy above yesterday's close. Pullback buyers, we'd like to buy it on an inside day. We're going to use this about this red line. Stop, close below the T line. Well, close below the T line is what I'd use for a stop, right in here. So good luck trading today. Hope to see everybody this evening for member e-learning. And remember to keep those profits close to you, very, very close to you. Let's see here. What do we have there? YOKU. Let's go look at that. YOKU announced that Mr. OK appointed OK manager. Oh, sorry, got my two lines mixed up there. Thank you, Sonia. Let's see, Roger, can you take a look at COH? COH, I would be a buyer of COH on a breakout. We have this trend line here. I think we peaked at this yesterday or maybe the day before. Our lines kind of moved there. But over that 50 area, over this downtrend line, I would definitely take a look at this. I think it's come back from this big gap, come back with a very nice chart pattern up, good consolidation to the right. So on a breakout, I would most definitely take a look at that and be in that one. TTWO, I am currently holding. TTWO is coming from this Morningstar pattern. It rallied up, consolidated, then did a rounded bottom breakout, and now just doing some consolidation. I would absolutely want to be a buyer, especially on a breakout here. Like I said, I'm currently long and holding it, and we'll look to add to it on continued strength up. Okay, I'll be back in about 2 minutes. We'll get this market open, see if we can make some bucks. Thanks a bunch.